In this video, I'm going to show you how to use tags in QuickBooks Online. So first, let's head on over to the settings right here. Click on settings and head on over to the list and you will see tags. So click on tags and it will take you to this page. So first we need to do is we'll be creating a new tag. So put in the new and tag group. So for example, we'll be making in job types. And you can also add a color of the tag. So for me, I'll just put in red. And we can also add a tag to this group after we've saved the group. So first we save, and then the tag for this group would be, for example, commercial. And just click on add and click on done. So once you've created the tag, we will be showing you how to use the tag. So as an example, we'll be putting in an invoice. So here you will be able to add a tag right here. So just click on tags and click on job types. And that's about it. That's how to use tags in QuickBooks Online. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments and I'll do my best to help you out.